Pharmacist Letter also provides you with a variety of live CE courses needed to meet any state's live CE requirement. The courses are all offered online, with no travel or time off work required when live CE is included with your subscription. A PLCE Live subscription provides access to any and all live webinars delivered by Pharmacist Letter during the subscription period. There are currently 3 types of live CE webinars you can participate in. PLCE Live monthly forums give an in-depth discussion of topics covered in that month's Pharmacist Letter issue. Live Preceptor Development CE courses cover topics of particular interest to preceptors, such as delivering effective feedback, integrating students, teaching professionalism, and more. PL Voices clinical webinars are webinars where you get to hear the PL editors and other experts debate current controversial topics in drug therapy, as they refine the recommendations that will be published in the next edition of Pharmacist Letter. All webinars of all types are offered at convenient times, including weekends and evenings, and are scheduled multiple times to make it as easy as possible for you to attend and get credit.